Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. This is Teacher Jam and today we continue to learn about the topic habits. Okay, so today we'll learn how to draw about a good habit using the simple present tense, as well as learn some new words related to the topic habits. And I also draw down a short paragraph so we can learn together how to drive and how to describe a daily habit clearly. Okay, so let's start with some new words. I will write down some new words here. The first one, transform. Okay, anyone, do you know the word transform? What does transform mean? Okay, and please. Okay, I love your answer. Yeah, transform is change. To be more specific, I would say transform is to change something completely. Right. Okay, for example, I will show you a picture. This is an example for the word transform. This girl transformed from fat to be skinny, right? Okay, so transform. Can you make an example using this new word? But I also want that sentence relates to our topic habits today. But okay, very good, very good. This habit transformed my morning. Good. Okay, I want you to move to the second word, and this is also my favorite word. Consistent. Anyone know the word consistent? I see no hands. Okay, I show you the picture here. Consistent. You can see a calendar, right? And this can be meant we do something from Monday to Tuesday to Friday, right? Okay, so consistent. Anyone guess the meaning of consistent? Yes, consistent. Doing something regularly, doing something frequently. Okay, one example for consistent. And again. Oh, very good. I am consistent. I do exercise every day. Yes. Improve. This is also the last new words today. Improve. Oh, now I can see a lot of hands. This word is familiar to you guys, right? Yes. Improve. To make something better. Yeah. And you can also make an example for me. Okay, this habit improves my health. Okay, very good. I love all of your example. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Transform. Yes. Consistent. Very good. And improve. Remember to memorize them. Okay, by repeating new words, you can memorize them better. Now, I am going to draw a short paragraph about a good habit. I do yoga for 10 minutes. And I also use the new words we have just learned. I do it every day because because I want to be consistent. And it improve my mood. Okay, so you can see that I already used the word improve and consistent, which are our new words today, right? But can you help me to find some verb in my writing? Okay, very good. Do yoga. Do, yes. Want to, yes. Improve, yes. Okay, you guys knowing whether the word is a verb or a noun or an adjective is really important. Okay, so what new words do you see? Do you have any new words? No, right? Just consistent and improve. They are new words to us today, right? Okay, so why is this a good habit? I want you to answer this question later, okay? You can try it out. And now, I will give you some paper so you can do a small exercise with me. Okay, I call it the mind map. Okay, here we go. But can you help me to give them all? Okay, I will take it back later, okay? So, mind map. We have learned about it in our previous lesson. I've already introduced the mind map. But today we will learn how to do a mind map, okay? First one. Okay, I will draw, maybe this is me. Okay, this is me. Okay, this is my mind. Okay, imagine that this is my mind. Okay, to answer a question, you have to create some ideas. You have to ask yourself some question. Many students here are curious whenever it comes to answer a question or describe something. Like they told me that they are out of the ideas. They don't know what to answer, what to mention. Mind map will have you guys. The first one, you need to tell me first what habit it is. Okay, yeah, that's really important to talk about a good habit. So, what habit it is? Okay, second one, you can ask yourself, when? When do you do that habit? Okay, and then you can move to why. So if it's good, why do you do that habit? And the last one, ask yourself how to do or how to form that habit. Okay, so I will give you the example first. First one, what habit? My habit is reading. And when do I read? Before bed? Okay, before bedtime. Before I go to sleep, I read, right? And why? Why? To relax. I read book to relax. Okay, and how? How do I read? Okay, I read 10 pages every night. Here, I read 10 pages every night. Okay, this is my mind map. It's really simple, right? So by this way, you are never ever out of the ideas. Just ask yourself. Just broaden the answer by a way. Okay, so now I want you to think about a good habit, your good habit, and complete the mind map on the paper that I gave you. Okay? Alright, but can you help me to collect all the pages? I will maybe have a look at your mind maps and tell you guys which part or where to improve. I will check in our next class. Okay, thank you and see you soon. Goodbye.